Elmer J. Fudd is an animated cartoon character in the Warner Bros. Looney Tunes Merrie Melodies series and the archenemy of Bugs Bunny. He has one of the more disputed origins in the Warner Bros. Cartoon pantheon. His aim is to hunt bugs, but he usually ends up seriously injuring himself and other antagonizing characters. He speaks in an unusual way, replacing his RS and LS with WS, so he often refers to Bugs Bunny as a scwewy or wascawwy wabbit. Elmer's signature catchphrase is, "SHHH. Be vewy quiet, I'm hunting wabbits," as well as his trademark laughter. The best-known Elmer Fudd cartoons include Chuck Jones' work What's Opera, Doc, the Rossini parody Rabbit of Seville, and the hunting trilogy of Rabbit Season Duck Season shorts with Fudd, Bugs Bunny, and Daffy Duck. An earlier character named Egghead set some of Elmer's aspects before the character's more conspicuous features were set. Tex Avery introduced a new character in his cartoon short Egghead Rides Again, released July 17, 1937. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.